In my last class, I discussed about ratio. Now I discuss about proportion. Proportion. Suppose if value or length of a pipe is 2 meter and its cost ₹80, and for another pipe of length 4 meter and cost ₹160. That means cost of a pipe is proportional to its length. It is also known as direct proportion. That means when length increases, the cost also increases accordingly. And if one of the, so suppose if the length is increasing but cost is decreasing, we say it is inverse proportion. That means here is 2 ratio, length 2 meter, cost ₹80. For another pipe, length 4 meter, cost ₹160. That is 2 ratio. So 2 ratio in written in this form, also known as proportion. That means if A is to B is a ratio and another ratio is C is to D and they are proportional, then they are written as in this form. This means this ratio proportional to this ratio, proportional to this ratio. Proportional to A is to B, proportional to C is to D. Now we should discuss some rules regarding proportion to solve different types of problems based on proportion. We have A is to B proportional to C is to D. That means if it is written as A by B, and in place of proportion we may give equality, sign of equality. Here it is C is to D. We have A is to into D equals to B into C by cross multiplication. Other things to note, when there are 4 terms in a proportion, the terms are known as first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Also known as the antecedents and consequents. In a ratio, we write A is to B, that means antecedent and consequent. Here, B and C are the mean proportional. That is product of extremes. In this formula, product of extremes, that is first, second, third and fourth proportional. We have, after cross multiplication, A into D equals to B into C. That means A into D, known as product of extremes. Product of extremes equals to product of means. When A, B, C and D, if we omit D, are in continued proportion or in continued proportion. Continued proportion. Then we may write A is to B proportional to B is to C. That is, we have A by B equals to B by C. That means we have A into C equals to B into B, that is B square. That is, mean square equals to what first into third. Is the second formula. So there are many more formulas to come. There are many more formulae to come regarding proportion. Right? Direct proportion and inverse proportion. Suppose in a physics we have studied volume of substance is inversely proportional to its pressure. Is 1 by P. Product or expansion of a length or a metallic plate is directly proportional to its length. So this shows direct proportion or direct variation, and this shows inverse proportion. Inversely proportional and directly proportional. That I will discuss in detail in my next classes. Okay, thank you all.